Okay, so the one on the right has been cleaned and oiled. The one on the left hasn't yet. So listen to the difference. Okay, both identical machines, just different model numbers because they have different number of stitches. In fact, I don't even think they've got different stitches. They're just different model numbers, both by the same company, both identical inside. So all I'm going to do to the left one is just give it a little bit of oil. I'm not even going to clean it. Okay, let's listen to that now. Definitely sounds a bit better. Let's give it a clean. I'm not even going to do a thorough clean inside. Bring you a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. So just giving the needle quite a clean. Oops, dropping everything. That's the zigzag mechanism which you need to make sure you get. Okay, feed dogs are clean. Just going to put a bit of oil just to make sure they move okay. Normally, or what I've done with that one is I've taken everything off, stripped it right back, and then cleaned and oiled. But I'm showing you what you can do for yourself at home. Make sure those are securely in. Oops. Both flaps out. Right, stay there. Right. Much easier to do with the feed dogs up, with the press foot up. Okay. So much cleaner. The sound is so much smoother, isn't it? Now imagine if I open the whole machine up and give it a proper clean inside. That's what you should be listening out for. And just that little bit of a clean makes so much difference. So do clean your machines, do give them an oil, and then regularly have them serviced so that they can be properly cleaned inside and oiled.